Hey folks, today I want to talk about the pre-Black Friday dark cloud reversal indicator. There is a 85% discount, which is just $7 right now. You can literally have $7. Try it out. You can just pay once, get it forever, and that is the deal that we have going on right now. And what is the dark cloud indicator? What is the dark cloud reversal indicator? You'll see it come up right here. So you see this yellow candle, get an alert right there. Basically, it is a bearish pattern, and a bearish candlestick pattern. As soon as it forms, as soon as it closes below, if it forms and at the top right here and you get the signal, it'll have a target line that'll be printed. So this was the target line right here, and then that is pretty much the kind of the trade. That is kind of the idea. And so it's great to identify market tops, potential reversals. This was one where, so let me actually go back in time on IBIT, when Bitcoin was just, when IBIT was this, real strong, and it showed this formation right there. And so this, at the end of the day here, say this is on the daily chart, you can use them on different time frames. We got the alert, we got the signal, and the next several, 1, 2, 3, 4, I mean, it just went straight down into that zone. And really, I mean, you can use it on pretty much any markets out there. It is a great price action signal. I love this. I love this price action signal. I do want to kind of just talk about just a couple different, different things as far as this goes. So this is a really strong candlestick pattern for finding market reversals. And essentially, all you got to do is just check that yellow candle. If you see yellow candle, it's basically the pattern is there. It formed a reversal candle, and that is, a great time where you could just, your antennas go up and you're like, all right, well, maybe the market will start to turn here. But there is some great examples on here as well. So this is the page you can go ahead and check out more. The link will be in the description. Go ahead and check it out if you're interested. This is a pre-Black Friday deal, and so again, this is real. Very cheap for something that is really strong as this. There's a lot of other cool things that we're offering to it as well. So you can actually, let me actually go down on the page here. There actually is a scanner. So the reversal scanner that basically will show if there's a bearish engulfing on Apple, SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA. This is kind of just the overall market sentiment, just to kind of see what's happening. And let me actually throw that on there if I can. So here it is down here. I'm not sure why it didn't pop up right there, but here it is down here. And so far right now, there is not any currently on this day. But once you kind of start to go through it and you start to go on some of these tops, when the market does start to reverse, you'll start to see some of these come in. And I don't know if any, oh, there was one day right there. So there was a bearish engulfing. I did it really fast, but essentially it's really cool. What I like about it is you can actually see, if there's one on Apple, there's one on Amazon, or one on Tesla, then okay, well, something's up here, like what's going on. And so it's a really cool way to kind of identify that. But that's a nice little bonus. That's a nice little bonus with it. And then you can even set alerts on that. So that's actually really cool, having daily bearish engulfing alerts set up for you. That way you literally just, okay, this, we could have a reversal here, and it's not a guarantee. It's just kind of like a warning sign where it's like, okay, there is a bearish engulfing that did happen. And so kind of just be aware of that, especially if you're holding shares or, thing like that. Like say you're already up, maybe a good time to take profits. Yeah, that's pretty much all, pretty much it for this offer. So if you're interested, there's a strategy. We got the alerts, the scanner, all that good stuff. Go ahead and check out this page right here. I'll have the link in the description, and you will be able to sign up and get this thing for $7. And $7 will get you will get you a permanent spot with this, where there won't be any there won't be any yearly fees or quarterly fees or anything like that. Literally just pay for it once. And so again, $7, pretty cheap. But again, if you don't want to pay something for something like that, that's 100% okay as well. But if this is something that does sound like something you would love to have in your arsenal on your charts, it doesn't, and it's very clean. You don't really get to, like, this is the last one I believe the last one was right here. And again, that wasn't it. It was very tip. It was this was at the top here, or on this very strong run. But you know, so it's not 100%. This is a nice one right here. It saw that. It's just kind of a warning sign. It's a warning sign. Here's one right there. That was a nice one. There was a nice one right there. When it's down low like this, it's not usually not as strong. But again, this is just on iBit. We can go back in time through several other assets, and I could show you that. But we have a couple on the page there as well. But yeah, it's a really cool tool. I think it's something that you guys, you know, on this, you know, if you're following this channel, this is something you would love. I think a lot of you guys would love to use on a daily basis, and not even on a daily basis, but even on just, you know, here and there whenever the markets are very strong, very at the top. Right now we don't have it. I was looking at it on the S&P to see if we did get anything. Let me go back in time here. So we haven't really had any signs of this. We almost had one right here this last couple of days here, but that was not quite. I believe the last strong one. So this one is technically one, but there is it's kind of like a false flag. We don't really confirm that. So really the last one we had on the daily chart was back here in February. Started to see there was actually a warning shot right there, and then there was one right there. So and here was that last one right there in July. So yeah, I mean, it's not, you know, you're not going to get 1,000 different alerts every single day. I just think it's a really nice little tool. What I like is the alerts. I think the alerts are really helpful and are really nice, especially with that scanner. Especially when, you know, when the markets are kind of starting to teeter a little bit, and you don't even have to really use it on just the S&P 500, or like you can literally use this on several assets. You know, Forex, whatever else you're trading, and grab some of these tops. All right, but anyways, that's it for me. If you are interested in that, go ahead and grab that. Grab it for $7. It's called the Dark Cloud Reversal, and pretty much we offer you know, everything that I mentioned. There is a couple other things, but usually it is $49. Right now it's $7. So like I said, if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and try it out.